Hi, my name is Buck Bonner and I'm standing on the back of a 2019 Sea Ray 280 SLX. This boat is a gorgeous boat. It's a black hull. It's got a lot of upgrades. We checked almost every box when we ordered it. First, starting with the swim platform up under the swim deck here. It's a push button hydraulic swim platform that lowers into the water. Great for entertaining, swimming, getting on and off the boat. Here on the back you have a flip up ratchet backrest. You have two of them. They can also lay flat, and you have a sunpad as well. Moving towards the cockpit of the boat, you can see it has the nice sea deck matting here. It's soft on your feet, it dries quickly. You have a built-in cooler storage here in your transom walkthrough. You also have your freshwater spray gun, as well as your stereo control. So everything you would need on the back of the boat for entertaining and enjoying a day on the water. As you move in the boat, notice the diamond stitched upholstery. It's double stitched diamond. It's very nice, it looks elegant. This boat has the snap-in sea deck flooring, which is an upgrade. It was new for 19 as well. You have designated cooler storage up under your seats. Wraparound seating. This is the dune interior. This boat also comes equipped with the upgraded stereo system, which gives you the Fusion stereo with the subwoofer and amplifier. This boat has an 8.2 380 horsepower engine, plenty of power for you and your guests. It has the dual upgraded 12-inch Simrad units here on your dash, upgraded Fusion head unit. This is a digital throttle with your 8.2 380 horsepower engine. You also have your trim tabs as well as your push button controls for your blue LED accent lighting, your underwater lighting, courtesy lighting, and many other features offered here on this 280 SLX. As we move towards the bow, you can see you have an abundance of space up here, lots of storage underneath all of the seat cushions, flip down armrests. As you can see, the diamond stitched embroidery continues throughout the entire boat. Also, you have leather wrapped grab handles, 3/16 stainless steel. And then at the bow of the boat, you have your stainless steel anchor, which is connected to your windlass, so it's an automatic anchor. It makes finding a cove and anchoring up extremely easy. You don't have to strain yourself to pull the anchor up. Come to Baldridge Marina and check out the 280 SLX. My name is Buck Bonner. I'd love to show it to you in person.